Hi there, welcome back to another episode of Lux Insider with Anita Khatri. Often I'm asked by people, is it necessary to invest such exorbitant amount of money on a watch? Does it add anything to the personality? And my answer is obviously yes. Not because I'm a watch enthusiast, but because watch genuinely adds depth to your personality, it adds style to your fashion statement, and it gives power to a handshake. And the best way to do this is with gold watches. Gold has been a symbol of wealth, prosperity, and luxury, also timeless elegance. Today, we are diving in the world of gold, highlighting 5 gold watches which are worth investing in. Talking about making an impression, son of India's richest industrialist, Anant Ambani, gifted his close friends a gleaming Audemars Piguet Royal Oak perpetual calendar. You would ask, why this watch? What is so special? Because it's a masterpiece that pairs 18 karat pink gold with rich blue hues for a strikingly bold look. The 41 case and bracelet, crafted in pink gold, gleams with luxury, while the dial adds a layer of sophistication with its deep night blue cloud 50 shade. The iconic grand tapestry pattern on the dial, along with the blue subdials and an inner bezel, creates a contrast against the gold. The pink gold R markers and royal oak hands with luminescent coating ensure the watch is easy to read even in low light. This watch is not only a masterpiece, but it acts as a token of prestige and honor. For someone who does not want old gold watch but wants a little bit a classier version of a gold watch, then next watch which I'm going to talk is for you. It is the watch from Omega Constellation Collection 29 a symbol of luxury and sophistication. This watch is all about making a bold yet elegant statement with its stunning 18 karat yellow gold construction. Omega's Constellation Collection is known for its distinctive design, features the signature half moons and the claws on the case. It gives off a powerful, timeless vibe. The mother of pearl dial is adorned with diamond R markers. The bezel is engraved with Roman numerals and a date window at 6 o'clock. It's a perfect blend of form and function. Inside, the Omega Coexcel Master Chronometer Caliber 8701 ensures top-notch precision and can be admired through the domed scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Finished with a luxurious gold bracelet and a comfortable butterfly clasp. Omega Constellation is a must-have for anyone who wants to add a dash of timeless elegance to their wrist. And I would add one more thing for the woman who's beginning to collect watches. This is a great start. Dreaming about power, prestige, success, and luxury. All these attributes are embodied by Panthier de Cartier. This watch seamlessly combines elegance with bold style. This large model is crafted from luxurious 18 karat yellow gold, making it an eye-catching accessory for any occasion. Its sleek design features a 31 The standout feature, the crown is adorned with a striking blue sapphire, adding a touch of regal charm. The silver dial with blued steel sword-shaped hands contrasts beautifully against the gold case, giving this watch a timeless yet contemporary look. Powered by a reliable quartz movement and water resistant up to 30 meters, the Panthier de Cartier is both stylish and practical. In fact, it's a perfect piece for a person who wants to make a statement without uttering a word. Meet stunning Sonam Kapoor adorning Vacheron Constantin's historic 222 a stunning revival of iconic 1970s classic. She has styled it seamlessly with her recent outfits. This 37 jumbo model is a contemporary tribute to the original, featuring a monoblock tonneau-shaped case with a distinct groove bezel that gives it a sporty yet elegant vibe. Crafted entirely from yellow gold, this watch embodies timeless luxury. The gold-toned dial, adorned with a date window at 3 o'clock and sleek beton-style hands and arm markers, adds to its vintage charm. With a polished and satin-finished yellow gold bracelet and a comfortable triple folding clasp, this watch is a nod to fine watchmaking's golden era. It's not just a timepiece, it's a piece of history born for today. If you're looking at adding a piece to elevate your collection, then Bulgari Serpenti Spiga, a watch that combines seamlessly daring design with elegance, is for you. Crafted in 18-karat yellow gold, this piece draws inspiration from the iconic Serpenti and the Roman legend of Spiga, meaning spike. Its standout features the single spiral bracelet, intricately carved with an abstract wheat stalk pattern and partially set with brilliant cut diamonds, symbolizing the idea of infinity. The watch is crowned with a 35 drop-shaped case and a bezel encrusted with more sparkling diamonds, perfectly framing the white mother-of-pearl dial. The gold-plated hands glide gradually over the dial, while the crown is set with cabochon cut tourmaline, adding a splash of vibrant color. Powered by a quartz movement and a water resistant up to 30 meters, the Serpenti Spiga is not just a watch. It's a piece of wearable art that showcases Bulgari's mastery in both jewelry and watchmaking. This is the ultimate statement for anyone who wants to embrace luxury with a bold twist. From timeless elegance of Audemars Piguet Omega to bold luxury of Cartier, Vacheron Constantin and Bulgari, these watches are just not accessories, they are statements. If you're looking at investing in a gold watch in your collection, then these pieces you cannot go wrong with. Thanks for tuning in to Lux Insider. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do not forget to leave your comments below. Press the like button and share your love by sharing the video and subscribing the channel. Thank you. See you until next time.